Oh, I finally got Chicago's now, guys. It took a whole day.
Till I realized the world was blind. Car cloudy from the lime. I know I'm dope, but I'm not in my prime. My pops was locked most of my life. I can't knock it for trying. That's why I'm drunk on the E-way flying. I know a lot show, but I'm not ahead of my time. Fantasize about the girls, though I get head all the time. Commit the illest crimes just to spit the realest rhymes. Without the throwbacks and ice, boy, I still a shine. My nigga didn't snitch, now he locked doing the killer's time. The jack artist, the nigga who rap hardest. You see me pushing coke, so you know I'm not the smartest, nigga. Yeah.
Black America, I love you. They forced me to be a hustler. Black on black crime, I gotta smother another brother. No longer watch to suffer. I'ma take him out his misery. Point my left arm and smother that nigga. That's black history. Don't believe the news is hype. They only give a nigga proud for when he loses life. Tip the niggas with all type of shiny shit to buy. To confuse your life, distract you from the godly light. The late night streets of my community is like a hell. From 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. is where the demons dwell. You fools may as well get ready.
We're about to make it happen. We're about to paint these. We're about to paint the swoosh, this area, and then this area back here. Angela's paint.
Cause without your roots, you're dead already. Goodbye, nigga. Chill.
Chill. Dun, dun, dun.
What did I see?
That made a nigga change his mind.
What did I see?
That made a nigga change his mind.
There you go. Wow. Bam. In the flesh.
Wow. You turned them into the same thing?
No, I didn't, sir. I painted this. Because look at... Oh, you can't. I didn't do that one yet. But I had to paint that, and the swoosh black.
Oh, it looked like a regular Jordan 1. Huh?
You make it sound so weak. You mean it looks like a regular ass shoe? For sure. That's tight. Yeah, okay. I came over here for something else. That's it?
You guys been out here for 4 hours?
Yeah. We really have been out here for 4 hours, though.
You don't got to worry about overspray when you...
Okay, so while I was painting my shoe, what you got over here, bruh?
Oh, check it out. You know, we had... I see y'all was doing the Jordan stuff, so I thought that was cool, man. You know, I got the... That was cool, man. You know what I mean? You can get them off.
So what you doing to the bottom? Tell them what you doing to the bottom.
The Christian Louboutin.
Oh, them Christian Loubs, boy.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get a job.
And guess what, baby? Oh. And guess what, baby? Oh. And guess what, baby? Yeah. And guess what, baby? Oh.
We got going over here, bro?
I'm just going ahead and putting together, you know, this brand new pair of off-whites.
Yo, you got them off-white things.
Yeah, you know, we just got the tags in the middle, which is pretty cool. You know, a little remix tag. They're actually gonna be the Louboutin off-whites.
Oh, bruh.
Yeah.
You got the collabs.
Yeah. For all the 40 Reiner fans out there in Pleasanton.
Okay.
Yeah.
I seen you.
I'm about to put it together for them, you know.
What's the resale on them shoes?
Expensive. We don't got a set price yet. It's a stock market type thing. You know, you heard of eBay?
Yeah. That's the new shit? Okay. Okay. What's up? Turn around real quick, Corey.
Trying to see the on feet edition?
What they talking about?
Oh, you know.
What they talking about?
Yeah, that's that.
Did you paint the toe box?
Green.
Bro, he painted toe box green and red, and he got gold sole.
You know, off white.
Bro, he got the YouTube thing, the YouTube. Ooh, red bottoms.
What's up? Damn. Get at me. You know what I mean? I'm out here. Everybody wants these young boys.
What, honeycomb, the off-white Tempur-Pedics?
one time with this dope shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, everybody on that bullshit ass bandwagon, man. But you know what I'm saying? Whatever happened to coming the dopest, baby. Whatever happened to coming dope, man. That's the only thing I wanna know, man.